The drive is nice.
Yes, the road is smooth.
Look at the clouds.
They are very dark.
The app said sun.
No sun right now.
Wow, listen to that thunder.
It is starting to rain.
It is raining hard. I cannot see well.
Oh no, the house.
What is wrong, Sarah?
The big living room window.
Is it open?
Yes, for fresh air. The rain is blowing in.
My new wool carpet.
Don't panic, we're close.
Please drive safely, Tom. Look at the window.
It is wide open.
The floor is wet.
Close it now, Tom.
Okay, it is safe.
Look at the carpet.
It is soaking wet.
It is ruined, right?
No, we can save it.
I am so sorry.
Don't be sorry, let's work.
I have the towels.
Put them right here.
Press down very hard.
Like this. Is it good?
Yes, soak up the water.
The towel is heavy now. Give me a dry one.
This work is hard.
But look, it is better.
Yes, it's not so wet now.
We are a good team.
We saved the carpet. I need some water.
Let's sit and rest.
Wait, what is that?
Is it the wind?
No, listen carefully.
That is Buster barking.
Is he in his room?
I think so, maybe.
Did you bring him in?
I thought you did.
Oh no, poor Buster.
He is out in the rain.
Open the back door.
Buster, come inside, boy.
He is totally wet.
He is shaking.
To the bathroom, quickly.
Warm water is ready.
Put him in the tub.
Don't shake, Buster.
Oh no, my face.
I am wet too.
Okay, wash him now.
He likes the bubbles.
Now dry him off.
He looks like a cloud.
A clean, fluffy cloud.
The house is quiet now.
The carpet is safe and the dog is clean.
Here is hot tea.
Thank you, Tom.
Look at Buster sleeping.
He is very tired.
I am exhausted too.
It is our turn.
Time to relax now.
Yes, just do nothing.
That sounds very good.
Have a good rest. Hello?
Hi, welcome to the scooter rental. Can I help you?
Yes, I want rent a scooter, but I not know safety rules.
You want to rent a scooter, but you don't know the safety rules? No problem. You must always wear a helmet.
I not have helmet.
You don't have a helmet? That's okay. We can give you one.
Can I ride on the sidewalk?
No, you must ride on the bike lane or the road, not the sidewalk.
How fast I can go?
How fast can I go? The speed limit is 20 kilometers per hour.
What if it rains?
If it rains, please ride slowly and be careful.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try the scooter.
That's great. Have a safe and fun ride.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Tech Help Desk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to set up my new phone.
You want to set up your new phone? No problem. Do you have the phone with you?
Yes, but I not know how to start.
You don't know how to start?
That's okay. First, press the power button.
I press this button.
Yes, that's the power button. Now wait for the screen.
It is on now. What I do next?
Now choose your language and connect to Wi-Fi.
I not remember my Wi-Fi password.
You don't remember your Wi-Fi password? Maybe it is on your router at home.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy you help me.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new phone. Hello?
Hi, welcome to the rooftop yoga class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join the class. Do I need bring my own mat?
You want to join the class and ask if you need to bring your own mat?
Good question. You can bring your own mat, but we also have mats here. I not do yoga before.
You have not done yoga before? No problem. This class is good for beginners.
What time the class start?
The class starts at 6 p.m.
How long is the class?
The class is 1 hour.
Do I need special clothes?
No, just wear something comfortable.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try yoga.
That's wonderful. Enjoy the class and the view.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the podcast club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to record my story.
You want to record your story? That's great. We love new stories here.
I not record before.
You have not recorded before? No problem. We help beginners.
What I need to bring?
What do I need to bring? Just your story and your voice.
Is the microphone hard to use?
No, it is easy. I will show you how to use it.
How long my story can be?
How long can my story be? About 5 minutes is perfect.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. We're excited to hear your story.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the library. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to join the reading challenge.
You want to join the reading challenge? That's great. Anyone can join.
I not joined before.
You have not joined before? No problem. I can explain how it works.
What I need to do?
What do I need to do? Just sign up here and choose your first book.
How many books I must read?
How many books must I read? You can read as many as you want, but the goal is 5 books.
Is there a prize?
Yes, if you finish, you get a small prize.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to read more books.
That's wonderful. Enjoy the challenge and happy reading.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the transport kiosk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to get a travel card.
You want to get a travel card? No problem. Do you need it for bus or train?
I need for both bus and train.
Great. You can use one card for both.
I not buy travel card before.
You have not bought a travel card before. That's okay. I will help you.
What I need to do?
Just fill this form and show your ID.
How much it cost?
It costs $5. You can add more money for travel.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to use the card.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your travels.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the cleanup event. Can I help you?
Yes, I want help pick up trash.
You want to help pick up trash?
That's great. We need more helpers.
I not do this before.
You have not done this before. No problem. I will show you what to do.
What I need to bring?
What do I need to bring? Just bring gloves if you have them. We have bags.
Where I start?
Where do I start? You can start near the park entrance.
How long cleanup last?
How long does the cleanup last? About 2 hours.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to help the city.
Hello?
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I want to ask about a lost keys poster.
You want to ask about a lost keys poster?
Of course. Did you lose your keys?
Yes, I lost my house keys yesterday.
I see. Did you put a poster on the board?
No, I not know how to make a poster.
You don't know how to make a poster? I can help you with that.
Thank you. What I need to write?
Write your name, phone number, and a short description of your keys.
Can I put a photo?
Yes, a photo is very helpful.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I hope someone finds my keys.
Don't worry. Many people look at this board. Good luck.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to board game night. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to learn a new game.
You want to learn a new game? That's great. Which game do you want to try?
I not know many games.
You don't know many games? No problem. I can teach you an easy one.
What is the name of the game?
This one is called Ticket to Ride. It's fun and simple.
I not play before.
You have not played before? That's okay. I will explain the rules.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Let's play and have fun together.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the pottery sale. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a handmade cup.
You want to buy a handmade cup?
That's great. We have many styles. I not buy handmade cup before.
You have not bought a handmade cup before?
No problem. They are special and unique. What are they made from?
They are made from local clay and painted by hand.
Are they safe for hot drinks?
Yes, they are safe for tea or coffee.
Yes, they are safe for tea or coffee.
One cup is $8.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to buy a special cup.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new cup.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the photo print shop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want print photos from my phone.
You want to print photos from your phone?
Yes, we can do that here?
I not print photos before.
You have not printed photos before.
No problem. I will help you.
What I need to do?
Please connect your phone to this cable.
Okay, it is connected now.
Great. Now choose the photos you want to print.
How much one photo cost?
One photo is 50 cents.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to print my pictures.
That's wonderful. Your photos will be ready soon.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to Art Night. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about painting supplies.
You want to know about painting supplies?
We have brushes, paints, and paper here.
I not bring my own supplies.
You have not brought your own supplies?
No problem. You can use ours.
Is there a fee for supplies?
No, supplies are free for everyone tonight.
What kind of paint you have?
We have watercolors and acrylics.
I not use acrylic before.
You have not used acrylic before? I can show you how.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try painting.
That's wonderful. Enjoy making art tonight.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the music lesson booth. Can I help you?
Yes, I want try a new instrument.
You want to try a new instrument?
That's great. Which one do you want to try? I not play any instrument before.
You have not played any instrument before?
No problem. We help beginners. Can I try the guitar?
Yes, you can try the guitar. I will show you some easy chords.
Is it hard to learn?
No, it's not hard. Just practice a little every day.
How long is the lesson?
The lesson is 30 minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try music.
That's wonderful. Music is for everyone. Have fun.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to our breakfast stand. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if you have gluten-free food.
You want to know if we have gluten-free food.
Yes. Do we have some options?
I not eat gluten.
You do not eat gluten? No problem. We have gluten-free muffins and fruit bowls.
What is in the muffins?
The muffins are made with rice flour and bananas.